Indoor comfort is about more than just setting the thermostat. Airflow, temperature balance, and how fresh a home feels throughout the day all play a role in creating a comfortable living environment. For homeowners in Pasadena, Casement Windows offer a practical and effective way to manage indoor comfort while enhancing everyday living. Their thoughtful design supports ventilation, temperature control, and ease of use in a way that fits naturally into many home layouts. Maximizing airflow for a fresher home, casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, allowing the entire window area to be used for ventilation. This wide opening helps capture passing breezes and direct fresh air into the home. In Pasadena homes, this design makes it easier to replace stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air. Improved airflow helps rooms feel lighter, cooler, and more comfortable, especially during times when natural ventilation is preferred. Supporting natural temperature balance, indoor comfort often depends on how evenly air moves through the home. Casement windows allow homeowners to control airflow more precisely by adjusting how far the window opens. For Pasadena homeowners, this means rooms are less likely to feel stuffy or uneven in temperature. Opening casement windows strategically helps warm air escape and encourages balanced circulation, contributing to a more comfortable indoor environment. Tight seals that reduce drafts while ventilation is important. Sealing matters just as much when windows are closed. Casement windows are designed to press tightly against the frame when shut, creating a strong seal that limits air leakage. This tight closure helps Pasadena homeowners maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Reduced drafts near windows make living spaces more comfortable and prevent sudden temperature changes that can disrupt daily routines. Improving comfort in key living areas, casement windows work especially well in rooms where comfort is essential, such as bedrooms, living rooms, and kitchens. Their easy operation makes them ideal for spaces where windows are opened and closed frequently. In Pasadena homes, casement windows installed above countertops, furniture, or in hard-to-reach areas provide convenient airflow without requiring extra effort. This ease of use encourages homeowners to ventilate more often, supporting overall comfort. Helping manage indoor moisture buildup can affect comfort and air quality, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. Casement windows allow humid air to escape quickly, helping rooms dry out faster after cooking or bathing. For Pasadena homeowners, this improved moisture control contributes to a fresher, more comfortable home. Reducing humidity also helps prevent that heavy, lingering feeling that can make indoor spaces uncomfortable. Clear views and natural light comfort isn't just physical, it's visual as well. Casement windows typically feature a single large pane of glass, offering clear views and abundant natural light. In Pasadena interiors, increased daylight helps rooms feel more open and welcoming. Natural light enhances mood and reduces reliance on artificial lighting, contributing to a more enjoyable living environment. Reducing noise for a quieter interior. Indoor comfort also includes sound control. Casement windows, when properly closed, help limit outside noise thanks to their tight seal and solid construction. Pasadena homeowners often appreciate how these windows contribute to a quieter, more peaceful home, especially in active neighborhoods or near outdoor gathering areas. Reliable comfort with simple maintenance. Casement windows have a straightforward design with durable hardware that supports long-term use. With minimal maintenance, they continue to operate smoothly and seal effectively. For Pasadena homeowners, this reliability means consistent comfort without constant adjustments or repairs. Simple care helps ensure casement windows perform well year after year. A practical solution for everyday comfort. Casement windows offer a balanced approach to indoor comfort by combining ventilation, sealing, and ease of use. They adapt easily to daily needs and changing conditions, making them a practical choice for many homes. For homeowners in Pasadena, casement windows help create living spaces that feel fresh, balanced, and comfortable throughout the day. By supporting airflow when open and insulation when closed, they play an important role in managing indoor comfort and enhancing everyday life.